Yeah, good morning. Today we are talking about Python variable. How to create a Python variable. Uh, So how you can a variable is created using by assigning value in Python. For example, now y is equal to 5, 7. So I'm assigning a numeric value into y. So y now has been declared as what? As a numeric variable. So if I want to declare string variable, the same method, but the value will be quoted. I've assigned variable. This is a numeric variable. Once a value is being quoted, it has turned to what? To a numeric variable. So a variable is used to allocate a storage for a value in the computer memory. So let us print the value of y already stored in the memory. You see it has been printed out. Then to print the value of NA that has been stored into the memory, it has been printed out. So that's an example, the first example on numeric. Another example, let me assign another value, which is b is equal to 4 or 6. Yeah, then let me put comment. This is a sign of comment. That is, b is of integer type. B type is integer. So ADDR is equal to John in quotes. Let me put comments to explain what I did. That is, ADDR is now of string type. So let me print what is in the storage out. Let's print what is in B, which is 6. Let's print what is in ADDR, which is, so that's and what I really want you to know is that a variable can have a short name, just like what we did above. Can be a single letter can be used. A variable can have a descriptive name, probably age is equal to 20, radius is equal to 50. A variable name must start with a letter or the underscores character. That's the rules that guide variable. A variable name cannot start with a numeric number. I want you to know that it's invalid. A variable name can only contain alphanumeric underscore. A variable name are case sensitive. So there's difference between writing small a and capital A. So that's all about what to have about variable. So that's the end of this lecture, creating a variable in